Passing the FE chemical exam isn't about mystery. It's about managing breadth and pace. Let's break it down. The main challenge of the FE chemical exam isn't just its wide range of topics. It's a pacing problem. You have 5 hours and 20 minutes to navigate material balances, thermodynamics, fluids, heat transfer, mass transfer, and reaction engineering. Candidates fail not because the material is secret, but because they can't move efficiently between these complex calculations. The key is to build your plan from the official NCEES specification and practice until you can solve problems without getting lost. Let's look at the 2026 exam format. It's a computer-based test with 110 questions, administered year-round at Pearson centers. The total appointment is nearly 6 hours, but your exam time is 5 hours and 20 minutes, which includes a 25-minute scheduled break. The current NCEES registration fee is $225, though your state board may have separate fees. Knowing these numbers helps you plan your logistics and manage your exam day from start to finish. NCEES reports a 68% first-time pass rate for the FE chemical exam, but this number needs context. It applies to recent graduates from EAC ABET accredited programs taking the test within a year of graduation. If you're a repeat taker or have been out of school for a while, use this as a benchmark, not a personal forecast. It proves the exam is difficult but passable with focused preparation, especially in the high-weight chemical engineering core subjects where points are often lost. Your study time should focus where the points are. The NCEES specification lists 9 knowledge areas that can each have between 8 and 12 questions. These are the heavy hitters: mathematics, chemistry, fluids, thermodynamics, material and energy balances, heat transfer, mass transfer, chemical reaction engineering, and process design with economics. Together, these topics make up the vast majority of the exam. Mastering this chemical core is the most direct path to building a passing score on exam day. The FE exam is closed book, but you are provided with an electronic NCEES reference handbook. Success isn't about memorizing formulas, it's about navigation speed. Can you find the right equation or property table under pressure without wasting minutes? Practice with the official handbook from day one. For every problem you miss, note where the information was located. Your goal is to know the handbook structure so well that looking up data is a reflex, not a research project. A structured plan prevents overwhelm. Start week 1 with a diagnostic test to find your weak spots. In week 2, secure foundational points in math, stats, and computational tools. Weeks 3 through 8 are a deep dive into the chemical pore, balances, thermo, transport, reactions, and process design. Use week 9 for timed practice blocks to build pacing. Finally, use week 10 for a full simulation and final review. This methodical approach builds skill without the last-minute cramming. Now you have a clear framework for preparing for the 2026 FE chemical exam. The next step is to put this knowledge into practice. Don't just read about the topics. Actively solve problems to test your speed and accuracy. Visit openexamprep.com to use our free FE chemical practice questions, designed to mirror the NCEES format and help you diagnose your strengths and weaknesses. Start building your confidence today.